This video demonstrates how to customize settings for the SP-600 on the uPyxis mobile app. Press the OK button to power on the unit. Then press the OK button again to enter the calibration and system settings menu. Press the left arrow button to select Diagnosis and wait for the screen to read BTLE started. Then, on the uPyxis mobile app, select your SP-600. Then select the Settings tab. Here you can customize the conductivity unit, TDS factor, power, and screen time settings. When you're finished customizing, simply select Update Settings, and your SP-600 settings have been customized.